Next topic is permutations. First, factorial form. For any natural number n factorial can be taken as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 etc. up to 3, 2 and 1. So this is the form of n factorial. N factorial can be sometimes written as this n factorial. Both are same. Exercise 2.2. Sum number 1. Find x if 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial equal to x by 8 factorial. So in this problem, once again write the problem. 1 by 6 factorial, 1 by 7 factorial, x by 8 factorial. So in the next step, 1 by 6 factorial plus the second thing is 1 by 8 factorial. 8 factorial can be taken as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is known as 8 factorial. So but in the first step 1 by 6 factorial. So we have to stop up to 6 factorial. So in this problem can be taken as 7 into 6 factorial. So this problem can be taken as 7 factorial. So the 7 factorial can be taken as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is known as 7 factorial. So first one is 1 by 6 factorial. So the second thing is 1 by 7 factorial. 7 factorial can be taken as, in this problem, first step is 1 by 6 factorial. So we have to set 7 into stop this factorial position up to 6. So 7 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the short form of this expression is 7 into 6 factorial. So in this result can be taken as 1 by 7 factorial can be taken as 1 by 7 into 6 factorial equal to x by 8 factorial. So 8 factorial means 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this can be proceed up to 6 factorial. So we have to take 8 into 7. So 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. So we have to proceed up to 6 factorial. So 1 by, in this result, 1 by 6 factorial is taken as a common. So 1 plus 1 by 7 equal to, in this result, x by 8 into 7 into 1 by 6 factorial. 1 by 6 factorial, 1 by 6 factorial cancel. So 8 by 7 equal to LCM. 8 by 7 equal to x by 56. So 56 into 8 equal to 7x. So 448 equal to 7x. 448 by 7 equal to x. 64. Answer is 64. X equal to 64. Second sum. Evaluate n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial when n equal to 5, r equal to 2. So these two values are given. So n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial equal to n value is 5. So 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 5 minus 2 factorial. So 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 into 1. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. Cross out all the 3 and 2's. Final answer is